Hello students, welcome to the online video class. Today we are going to learn about the second chapter linear equation in one variable. In previous video we have already discussed about the exercise 2.4 some questions. Now today's lecture will discuss the next question of this exercise. Next question is question number 5. This question, Shobhu's mother present age is 6 times Shobhu's present age. जो शोभू की मदर है उसका प्रेजेंट एज क्या है? दिस 6 टाइम शोभूज प्रेजेंट एज 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ, यानी फ्रॉम 5 years नाउ मीन्स अभी से 5 years बाद विल बी 1/3 ऑफ हिज मदर्स प्रेजेंट एज. नाउ व्हाट आर देयर प्रेजेंट एज? सो फर्स्टली वी सपोज द दिस प्रेजेंट एज, हमें यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट एज शोभू का और उसके मदर का फाइंड करें. Then let present age of Shobhu is equal to x years, and the present age of Shobhu's mother is equal to this condition. By using this condition, Shobhu's mother present age is 6 times Shobhu's present age. यानी शोभू के मदर का एज क्या है? 6 times of Shobhu's present age. That means that 6x years. Now then we have to find here the after 5 years Shobhu's age is equal to 5 years, यानी प्रेजेंट एज, यानी अभी एज कितना है शोभू का? 5x years है. सो 5 years के बाद क्या होगा? x plus 5 years. एंड देन उसकी मदर का एज कितना होगा? देन मदर एज इज इक्वल टू 6x प्लस 5, क्योंकि उसका प्रेजेंट एज क्या है? शोभू के एज से 6 टाइम्स है, तो 5 years के बाद क्या होगा? 6x प्लस 5. एंड देन यूजिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन वी हैव द नाउ विल बी Shobhu's present age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So 5 years, after 5 years the Shobhu's age, according to condition, after 5 years Shobhu's present age, Shobhu's age is equal to 1/3 of his mother present age. And then find his present age. So then what is the Shobhu's after 5 years Shobhu age is what? After 5 years Shobhu's age is x plus 5 is equal to, and his mother age is 1/3 of his mother present age. So what is the age of present age of his mother? This is the 6x, and then solve this. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. So what is the remaining? X plus 5 is equal to 2 multiply 1 2x, and then transport this 2x. So x minus 2x, ये plus 2x transport करने पर क्या होगा? minus 2x, and then transport this plus 5. What is that? minus 5. So what is the answer? Then x minus 2x minus x is equal to minus 5 and then x is equal to minus minus plus. So x is equal to 5. That means that what is the x? X is the Shobhu's present age. That means that the present age of Shobhu is equal to 5 years and his mother age and present age is equal to 6x. That means that 6 multiply 5 and this 6 5 the 30 years. Okay, now this is the age of Shobhu's mother and this is the age of Shobhu's present age. Okay, so let's see the next question. The next question is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. एक माहुली विलेज में स्कूल के लिए क्या किया था? एक प्लॉट रिजर्व किया था. उसका शेप कैसा था? रेक्टेंगुलर शेप. एंड देन द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ द प्लॉट आर इन द रेशियो इज 11:4. यानी उसकी जो लेंथ थी, उस जो प्लॉट की लेंथ थी वो क्या थी? 11. उसका रेशियो दिया है लेंथ और ब्रेथ का. सो दिस इज द 11:4. दैट मीन्स दैट द rate and at the rate 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. यानी उस प्लॉट को फेंस करने के लिए 400 rupees पर मीटर रुपए देके उन्होंने क्या किया? उस प्लॉट को उन्होंने फेंस किया. तो उसको टोटल कितने रुपीज लगे? 75,000 rupees. Then what are the dimension of this plot? That means that तो उसकी लेंथ और ब्रेथ क्या होगी, हमें ये फाइंड करना है. So this is a ratio of the length and breadth. Then find the, firstly we suppose the length is equal to 11x and breadth is equal to 4x. This is the ratio, and according to the condition, you know that length and breadth, that means that the perimeter, यानी उसकी टोटल उनको फेंस करना है. सपोज ये हमारा रेक्टेंगल शेप प्लॉट है और उसको टोटल हमें क्या करना है? फेंस करना है. सो इसका हमें क्या फाइंड करना होगा? पेरीमीटर. देन फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. पेरीमीटर ऑफ rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. And then what is the 2 multiply, what is the length? 11x plus this 4x. And then what is that? 2 multiply 11 plus 4, this is a 15x. So this 15 plus 2 30x. So total पेरीमीटर यानी टोटल जो डिस्टेंस होगा वो क्या होगा? 30x मीटर. ओके, सो उसको अगर हमें उसको क्या करना है? प्लॉट को फेंस करना है, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? 30 मीटर. नाउ नेक्स्ट, the next is you know that the perimeter of this rectangle is 30x meter. Then you have to write here cost of fencing is equal to, total cost is what? This distance is 30x kilometer and the per meter rate is 100. That means that cost of fencing. So 100 multiply 30x. This is a rupees. And then what is the multiplication? 100 30 0 0 30 0 0 31 the 30x. So 30,000 3000 x rupees. And total टोटल रेक्टेंगल को फेंसिंग करने के लिए हमें टोटल कितने रुपए चाहिए, 3000 एक्स रुपीज। एंड देन फाइंड द but the cost of fencing is 75,000। लेकिन टोटल खर्चा कितना है उसको फेंसिंग करने के लिए, 75,000। एंड देन फाइंड द डायमेंशन ऑफ दिस rectangular block. So length is equal to here the find the value of x, then cost of fencing is equal to this 3000 x is equal to 75,000, and then x is equal to 75,000 upon 3000, then 3 0 0 cancel, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 is remaining, 3 5s are 15. That means that x is equal to 25. Or what is the x? Then this value put in the length and breadth. Then write down this. So length of a rectangle is equal to 11x. That means that 11 multiply 25. So what is the answer? 25 on the 25. 2 is carry. 25 on the 25. 25 plus 1, 65 meter. Length is 265 meter, and breadth is equal to 4x. That means that 4 multiply 25, and then 4 5s are 20, 2 is carry, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 2, 10 meter. So dimension of this plot is length is 265 meter and the breadth is 100 meter. So the next example, question number 7, this is your homework example. So in the homework you have to solve the question number 7. So today we stop here, and remaining part of this exercise we'll discuss in next video. Thank you.